update! My smiles aren't just gas anymore, they are social! I'm testing my powers to see if I can make you smile back. It's my first step in world domination through cuteness! Don't leave me hanging. When I smile, smile back. Talk to me like I'm the most interesting person in the room. It's building my brain's wiring for language and love. Wait, what are these? Are these my hands? I spent all day just staring at them. They are the coolest toys I've found so far, even if I can't quite control them yet. Look at that height. Tummy time is paying off. Keep placing toys just out of reach, so I have a reason to keep this heavy head up. I'm training for the big leagues. Whoa, colors are starting to pop. Red and orange are my favorites right now. My eyes are finally working together to track moving targets like a tiny radar. Play with me. Move objects slowly and talk to me from different sides of the room.
It helps my brain learn where sounds and sights come from. Science is fun!
I'm not just making noise, I'm practicing my vowels. These coo and goos are my way of telling you I'm happy and ready for a chat. Listen to my song. Today was tough. 4 vaccines in one go. I might be sleepy or have a little fever, but it's my immune system getting its armor ready. Just give me extra snuggles. By 6 p.m. I've had enough. It's called the witching hour. My little brain is full of info and I just need to cry it out to reset. It's not you, it's my bandwidth. Dim the lights, use a rhythmic sway, and keep it quiet. This routine tells my system the daily mission is complete. Predictability is my best friend for sleep. Did your baby give you the first real smile this month? It's the best feeling, right? Tell me your first smile story in the comments. Don't forget to follow. Ready to maximize my 2-month milestones? My curated action kit has the best tools for vision and motor skills. Click the link in bio and let's grow together.